Let's learn about this really impressive piece of machinery now on PPMA TV. Here to tell us all about it is Mark from Cama Group. Mark, thank you very much for joining us. What are we looking at?
So this is one of our CL156 machines. It's a high-speed cartoning machine for biscuit applications. It's an indexing motion and continuous motion on the end. We're running on this situation here 240 cartons a minute, which is a very typical sort of application for biscuits, but also ready meals and various other applications. Widely used in sort of confectionery. This machine we're showing is the latest evolution of the machine we've been building for probably nearly 30 years now. It's the latest BT generation frame, which is our latest build and clean design. We've been doing this for about 3 years, but it's the first time we've shown this machine in the UK. It evolved really from a lot of work we've done with the major blue chip companies about what they're looking for from best-in-class machinery design. So we're always trying to push the envelope in terms of high-end packaging equipment. So it's high technology, it's all servo-driven, it's designed for high-speed 24/7 operation.
Pushing the envelope and indeed pushing the carton and bits of cardboard through this machine. Tell me, when you say we've been, this is the latest innovation of what we've been doing, tell me about Cama Group, tell me about who it is that has been, evolving this technology for a number of years now. Yeah,
so Cama Group is a family-owned business from just outside Lecco, north of Milan in Italy. It's been around since 1981. There's currently a brother and sister that run the business, the Belantes. We're around about 90 million euro turnover business now, 250 employees in Italy, building all sorts of secondary packaging machines, so cartoning, case packing, top load robotics, sleeving machines. We've got a whole wide range of different Cama-built robotic solutions as well, so that'll be the integration of that to the packaging machines to provide a complete line. So we're typically confectionery, chocolate areas, lots of food businesses, but also things like pet food and a big bit into personal care, home care, so like the non-food markets as well.
Sure, that's the Italian story. What's the footprint then in the UK?
So the UK, we're based in Swindon, is the head office, which I represent as a UK director. Then we've got office-based staff and then local engineers regionally around the country, because we've got around about 160 machines around the UK on about 40 different sites. So there's a lot of demanding customers to keep happy with out there.
Speaking of demanding customers, have you been speaking to some demanding prospective customers here on the show floor over the last few days?
Absolutely, it's been very good the last 2 days. We've had some very good inquiries, some chats with people that, in the normal sales channel I've been finding difficult, that managed to drag them off the corridor and into the machine and have a good chat.
Drag them into the machine? I hope you didn't do that.
Well, they did have a good look at the machine, so yeah. But no, it's been successful for that very reason, because we saw people who were only names on a spreadsheet before, but actually saw face to face. It's been nice to make those connections and talked about some very big projects as well. So I'm quite hopeful for the next few months.
Really good. Well, really nice to speak to you just now, Mark. Thank you very much for not dragging me into this machine, but letting us have a look at it from the safe side of the glass here.
Fortunately, it's guarded, so nothing's going to happen like that. Yeah.
I'm glad to hear it. Mark from Cama Group, thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers, David.